Introducing an all-new product from HOLO-LIVE Council Ceresfauna, Marifauna! Mother Nature in her finest form. This new product provides a relaxing comfort to its users, just like Fauna does every day in her streams. You can eat it. You can use it for ASMR. You can even illegally grow it in your own backyard. We even offer variants of this wonderful can of bliss. Au naturel, rock candy, tea leaves. We have a whole farm of this stuff. Here's a testimony from some of our happy customers. They love it. Here's your chance to finally touch grass, ladies and gentlemen, in the form of Fauna. We'll even throw in some masa cocoa, so go buy some before it's all sold out. That's a great deal. That's all for now, ladies and gentlemen. Manuel. CBD, more like HBD. Happy birthday, Fauna. I hope you have a wonderful birthday from one of your dearest saplings. Mwah.